What do you think the gender of the baby is and why?
For me, I think the baby's gender is a girl because I find Kim's now very, very beautiful. Thank you.
Sa akin, para kay Kim ay is a boy. Kasi ang ramdam ko sa kanya, yun ang parang feel ko na ibibigay ni Lord para sa kanya. Thank you.
For me, it's a girl. Kasi the mom is very pretty, glowy, and hawak niya ang beat.
For me, girl pa rin. Obvious ba, naka-pink kami, di ba? Because girl is like a lifetime of softness. Tapos napaka-responsible ng mga girls like us. Yes. Yeah.
I guess it's a baby girl because Kim is so blooming and she's wearing pink at the moment.
Ako din, it's a baby girl kasi ang ganda ni Kim ngayon and then yung shape nung tummy niya is a bit makapal, wider. Wider. That's it. Thank you.
I think it's a girl. Kasi tatlong B. Because she's beautiful and she's bilog.
Uy, ano yung number 3?
Tatlo nga, bilog, beautiful, because.
Okay. Team Jumbo Hotdog. Team Blue, syempre. Kasi si Kim, parang hindi siya hirap maglihi. Hindi siya hirap magbuntis. Pag lalaki kasi hindi ka pinahirapan, pag babae pinahirapan ka.
Really?
Team Hotdog.
Ako naman, syempre, Jam Blue Hot Dog. Hindi, seriously, kaya Team Blue din ako katulad ni Sis Glad. Kasi napansin ko, looking back, parang less na yung pagiging kikay looking ni Kimi. Parang less na yung pink lipstick, less na yung mga pink blush-ons, tsaka yung mga paribon-ribon niya. Parang parang hindi na masyadong ganon lately. Kaya Team Blue.
Girl.
Why?
Because I'm not girl.
I love girl.
I think it's a boy because I want more friends. And I've friends that are boys. I think it's a boy because my brain thinks it's a boy.
I think it's a boy. Well, I don't know.
Well, I think it's a boy because I think it's a boy. I think it's a girl because I don't know.
I think it's a boy because I think it's a boy. Team boy.
What gender I think it is? I think it's a girl because, girls are just so much cooler than boys.
I think it's a boy because because I think it's a boy.
I think it's a girl because I also think it's a girl.
I think it's gonna be a girl. Yun lang. Because girls rule.
I think it's gonna be a girl because Tita's cheeks are always pink, and it's girly. Period.
Me personally, I think the baby will be a boy.
Me, I think it's a boy because we're blue.
Blue.
Yeah.
Word.
Boy. That's why I'm wearing blue. Kasi sabi nila, pag maganda daw yung babae, lalaki daw. Thank you.
Lalaki. Kaya ako naka-blue and black. Kasi sabi nila, pag matulis daw yung tiyan ng buntis, yung ngipin, yung ilong ay malapad.
Sa akin kasi, tingin ko ay lalaki. Kasi yung ano niya, yung galaw niya, at saka yung, sabi kasi nila pag gumaganda yung babae, mas maarte, babae yon. Ngayon, at saka meron namang iba, pag matulis din yung tiyan, na umbok, lalaki din yon. Yung nakikita ko.
Tingin ko lalaki din kasi sa pakiramdam lang parang gano'n, nararamdaman parang nakikita ko rin kay Kim na nagiging brusco yung kilos niya parang gano'n ayun.
Hello, sa akin ang prediction ko is a boy. So, as a dad, kay father si Ray, usually kasi gusto nila, ang pangalan nila is lalaki. So, ang prediction ko talaga is lalaki.
Good day to everyone. Sa akin, baby is healthy, but I go for the boy. Let's wait for the result. God bless, Ate Kim, sa panganganak mo. Kuya Ray, congratulations sa inyong mag-asawa.
One, two, three, go!
Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba blue? Kaya mo ba blue? Kaya mo ba blue? Bakit blue? Blue, 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 blue.
Ready? 3, 1, 2, 3, go!
Hi, it's a boy.
Ano ba to? Nawawala ako.
Are you blue na? Boy ka na?
No. Is it going? Oh.
What do we think?
I think it's gonna be a girl because
I don't know. What's your thoughts?
Let's flip a coin.
Flip a coin? I'm down.